Hello everyone. Our 11th theory name is male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 1. All positive and metaphysical sciences created male-female mechanisms. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 2. All females mechanisms completed with identical males mechanisms. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 3. All males and females differences just only structural processes. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 4. High powerful output mechanism production obligatory dependence male female peaceful relationship. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 5. Males-females mechanisms just only for functionality. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 6. If male-female mechanisms lost theirs balanced, will have been happened chaos and pathological condition. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 7. Males and females are system dominant actors, so intersex mechanisms should not suitable of physiology and homeostatic balanced. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory. Law 8. Endless males females mechanisms cause richness, the highest endless solutions should be possible. Endless recombined all concepts. Male-female system, Ferdhu theory by EFRUZ ASİLOÐLU, Scholar theoretician, North Cyprus. And lastly, our total theory's name is ALİMHU, AHADHU, universal system theories. I would like explain these theories name again, step by step. 1. Theory 1. Central Who Global Theory. Theory 2. HARMONIHU Universal Theory. Theory 3. EFRUZHU Cancer Carcinogenesis Theory. Theory 4. Opposition Who Balance Theory. Theory 5. Who Cancer Treatment Theory. Theory 6. METAPOSİHU Total Science Theory. Theory 7. Start and to go to theory. Theory 8. At imagination REALITYHU theory. Theory 9. Multiply universe VAHİDHU theory. Theory 10. Atom center UNIVERSALHU theory. Theory 11. Male female system Ferdhu theory. Theory 12. Existence in existence DAİMHU theory by EFRUZ ASİLOДLU, Scholar theoretician from North Cyprus. Thank you very much.